Best Bluehost coupon code. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser. Then in search address bar, type down the best Bluehost coupon code and hit enter. You will get to see the many websites with coupon code available, but make sure to tap on the legitimate website. I personally suggest you the coupons website option available there. Simply open it and you will get to see the many Bluehost coupon available in there. Just make sure to tap on one according to your preference. Tap on the redeem code option available right next to the coupon options. You can see there are 12%, 30% and even 80% discounts available. Now all you have to do is tap on the copy option available or redeem at Bluehost option available there and redeem it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.